Hello guys, welcome to our first segment on opening our first packs on topshot NFTs. So here we go.
Here we go!
Here we go. So meron tayong packs ng isang common pack ng base set and another common pack base set din. So ito. Let's open this first. Ready? Let's go! Ano kaya? Who's gonna be? Oh, Devin Jr. from Houston Rockets. Woo. That's sweet layup though. Ow! It's 25,348 out of 35,000. Not bad. For our second card from the Lakers. Is it? Oh, THT. The dunk from the bubble. With the bubble. Hey. Woo. Football pass by LeBron James. Sheesh. Nice. Our last card for the first pack. Let's see. Oh, Anthony Edwards, number 1 pick. Oh my god. Hey, nice dunk, man. Sheesh. Anthony Edwards. Nice. Ganda ng pack. So basically, itong pinakamalapit, Anthony Edwards. To see magkano yung kuha natin sa marketplace later. Okay, let's see our next pack. On the packs. This is the Series 2 base card topshot. NFTs common. So here we go again.
Here we go!
And another common card. Sana may Lamelo Ball. Woo! Let's go. So dito muna tayo mag-start. From Atlanta Hawk. Oh, kala ko Trey Young. Ngeke akong dunk. Woo! That's a nice lob. Slightly intentional. Nice. Not bad. Lower siya, 2872 over 4,000. For our next card, Toronto, Pascal Siakam, Spicy P, with a sweet lay. Ooh! Turn around layup. Oh my god, dang. Spicy P. On 10,000 out of 35,000. Not bad. And let's see. LeBron or Lamelo. Let's go. Is it? Oh, Rockets. John Wall. Not bad. Handles. Ooh. Oh my. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. With the sweet drop pass. Hey, Cousins. Eesh. Damn. Not bad again. Not bad. 13,000 out of 35. Not bad. So dito tayo pinakamaganda, no? This is a common card pero lowest siya. Sheesh. Nice. Not bad. That's Thank you for watching, guys.